Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Today's top tip with your new tools, how to automate your business, is awesome screenshots. Basically, it's if you want, say, a results photo and you want to highlight the results with a big red circle or a red arrow or add some text in, this is what I wanted to show you. So you have to go to the Chrome Web Store and download it. Mine's already downloaded. And you look for this symbol, which ends up here. So basically, first of all, you need to select a picture that you want to put in, say, a Facebook group. So I'm choosing this one. And this is the great Diana Castillo, who's hit a grand or more by now, actually. So you can change the colour of the pen. So you can have a blue pen, you just click like that. If you want to undo it, you go like that. But I wanted a red pen. And I want to put a big round circle around here. At this point in time, she had got $750 worth of paid in her PayPal. She had got 103 available. So how this works is you withdraw it, it gets paid, it gets requested. Every Thursday you get paid and it pops over to there into your PayPal, and your residual things, your monthly ones, everything's on hold for about 5 or 6 days, then it becomes available. So another thing I wanted to point out to you was some text. So Diana, hang on, is killing this. So can you? So you can highlight all of this and make it bigger or smaller here. And you can actually move it across. There you go. That's it. Whoops. You have to wait for that. Ah, look at this. That's brilliant. I don't need to do anything else to this. You can actually make it go at an angle, and you can actually underline. Hang on, underline this bit here as well. So that's now finished. So you hit done and you can save it to your screen. Edited pic. There you go. And that's in downloads. So that's it, guys. What you can do to highlight your results or results of your team and have fun and go and smash it and get some leads on Facebook. If you thought this was a top tool, you can say top tools below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.